Greetings from Iceland again. Finally it cleared up. I was about to leave home and it stopped to rain, so I came back on the hill and now we can see the volcano better. Let's zoom in. Okay, you see that the black ash? There are two craters merged together. There's one which is emitting that kind of blackish smoke, and there's another one. There's a twin crater. Now we have the best view of the volcano and of the lava. I think perhaps now we'll be able even to launch a drone. But that's how it looks. See, lava is shooting in two spots, and the one to the left is shooting higher jets. It's emitting this blackish ash smoke, bluish, blackish kind of. Pretty high jets. I couldn't see those jets when it was raining and foggy, but now you can see them. It reminds me of La Palma. It was shooting similar kind of back 2021 in Canary Islands. It was shooting similar ash jets like here, as you see. Very similar style. Still raining, like light rain, but not much. It's coming with ash. The other part of the volcano is coming, shooting ash jets with lava. You see how bad it is. Today iPhone is very good to capture all those colors that you don't see so well live. You see similar but not that kind of expressive colors, not that vivid as on the video. But much better now. Better conditions. Still raining though. All the best to you guys.